Okay, so if you see f of 5, they're asking you what is f of 5. They basically want to know when you plug in 5, what comes out. So if I plug in 5 everywhere, it's going to look like this. 4 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 25. All right, now this is the part, so everyone was okay with that in my other classes, just plugging it in for the x. But the next part is like what got people. Okay, I think what people did here is they multiplied the 4 and the 5, and then they squared it. Okay, remember PEMDAS.
So basically, like when we get like a problem, and like for example, like on this one we put like 5, it's always going to be multiplying, right?
That depends on what this says.
Okay.
That depends on that, yeah. So like here on the next one, if you kind of look down, we're going to plug -2 in, but we're going to plug it into all this crap right here.
Oh, okay. Like on the 2 with the power 2, and then like the 5 too, right?
Yep. Just right there, just for the x.
And then we would just like put like what it equals, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the part where people are getting confused here is this part. Okay, remember, so parentheses come first. Okay, but that means if there's anything inside the parentheses that you need to simplify. So if you look right here, like there's a 5 inside the parentheses, but there's nothing you need to simplify. It's just a 5. Okay, so we would move on from the P, and the next one is the E, exponent. Okay, so what that means is that up here, okay, we need to do the exponent first. So 5 squared, we just did that on another problem, is 25. So notice how I wrote that. I did 5 squared first, and then whatever we get from that, we're going to multiply that by 4, because the M comes after the E. Does that make sense? You just have to do the number with the exponent on it first. Okay? So now I'm not going to finish it for you. Okay, but again, this would be, I'll simplify it underneath here. We said 4 times 25, and then minus now this 3 times 5, that's 15, and then minus 25. I just copy and paste everything else. Okay, so now that you don't have any exponents, okay, now we can do the multiplying. Now we can do 4 times 25. And then subtract after that.